Sudstainables just gifted me their laundry detergent sheets, and I am already in love with these. Now, what makes these sheets so amazing is that they are ultra concentrated. Usually when you get laundry detergent, it's in a big heavy bottle. That weight is mostly water, meaning that you are paying for and fossil fuels are being burned to transport water. Whereas with this, all you're getting is exactly what you need to clean your laundry, and you put this in the washer as one whole sheet, or you can break it down for smaller loads into a half sheet. And if it's a really small load, you can even break these down into quarter sheets. And then when the water runs through, this will dissolve, turn into that fantastic laundry detergent, and clean your clothing without any additional waste. On top of that, these use very clean ingredients, so you can feel really good about what your clothing is being washed with and what you're washing out with the dirty water. And these will dissolve super cleanly in hot and cold water, so you're not limited to only doing warm loads. You can do whatever you want with these. So let's go do some laundry. Now I did a delicates load, so it was gentle cold wash, and I wanted to do that to really test how well these would work. It was a full load, so I put in the entire sheet, just folded it down and put it in the fill box in my front load washer, ran my delicates load, and at the end it fully dissolved. There was nothing left in the drawer, which is exactly what I want to see and not always the case. And it did a fantastic job. I highly recommend this.